Hey guys, we're gonna be viewing these two cakes by the same raccoon fireworks. Both 200-gram cake, 25 shots. That's 25 shots. Oh, let me zoom out. Okay, so yeah, there's not there like 25 shots though. So the tubes are about the size of those are pretty long. They're the size of these. Size of this, but a little bigger. So I got two of them. I'm gonna like hook up like this fusing. Like if I can open this. Okay, so I'm gonna hook this fusing right here up to hook it up and to this fuse. And here's this so hook it up like this. I'm sorry. Make sure to like and subscribe and go check out every single video and leave a comment. Let's try to get to 8 subscribers. And if you want to see more, I like, and then I have some of those up there and those. Okay. And I have a huge web, so don't think I'm done. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.